So we're going to be working on our letter F this week. So today we're going to be doing an F collage, and we're going to build the letter F from our collage. And our collage is going to be about food, because food starts with an F. The F says F, and I hear it, food. So what you're going to do is you get to pick all of your favorite foods. So I want you guys to go ahead and go through like the grocery ads, magazines. You could do wrappers from your pantry, cereal box, whatever you find that has a picture of food that you like. I want you guys to go through it with your family and cut out the pictures that look most delicious to you. What foods do you like? This is a great opportunity for lots of language, telling what I like, what I don't like. Use your words and pick all your favorite foods. So I already did that. I want to show you what I made, and then I'll show you what we're going to be doing with it. So we're going to need a blank piece of paper, and then we're going to cut it in half. So I cut this paper in half. I do a different color, and on this paper I drew a line down the middle. So half of the paper, and then we're going to draw a line and showing half of it again. And on the other side, I did my food collage. So it's all the foods that I like. So there's chips and strawberries and cookies and yogurt and corn and tomatoes and avocado, ice cream, pasta, watermelon, cantaloupe, hamburger, chicken. So what you're gonna do, guys, is you're just gonna go ahead, find what you like, you're gonna glue it in the back, and you're just gonna put it on to your collage like that. So I just added a chicken leg. Once you've filled up the whole rectangle, remember on the other side there was a line? Well, now we're gonna cut down that line. And what we're doing is we're gonna be making an F out of our food collage. So I cut it into two big lines, but for an F, we need one big line and two little lines. So what I need to do is I need to take this big line and I'm going to cut it in half to make two little lines. And I'm going to use these pieces to make my F. So the first thing I do for an F is our big line down. So I'm going to go ahead and take my glue and give one big line. And I'm going to glue my big line of food. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my little lines. So a little line on the top and a little line in the middle. And that makes the letter F. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're doing a food collage, and we'll cut it into strips to make the letter F. I also want to show you guys something else. So besides our F collage, I also want to go over our new morning worksheet. So it's a little bit different than what we're used to. So before we do anything else, we have some homework for the parents to do. At the bottom, we want you to go ahead and write your child's name out of order, and then with some other letters to kind of trick them. So this is Cooper's paper, so I'm going to do Cooper's as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write Cooper's letters all mixed up. And then I'm going to write some other letters that he doesn't need, just to be tricky. I want to really challenge Cooper to make sure he gets good practice on knowing the letters. So here is his choice for letters, but that's not it. We're also going to go ahead and fill in some of these fish. So what these fish are for is we're only going to color the fish that has an F on them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write different letters on the fish, knowing that when you come back you can only color the F for fish. So I'm going to put an A, B, C, F, F, E, F, O, how about a D and an F? All right, so I'm all ready for you to do the work now. So now I'm going to pretend to be Cooper. So I'm going to go ahead and do the work as if I was Cooper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace my name. And I'm going to trace the C, the O, O, P, E, R. So there's my name, Cooper. And now I'm going to spell my name. So I'm going to go ahead. Remember all those letters that I wrote ahead of time? Now I'm going to cut them out. And if this is too many letters, don't use them all. This is going to be at your discretion how many is appropriate for your child. So I'm going to go ahead. And remember, this is good practice for the kids. Parents, you could probably cut this part and then let the kids go snip, snip, snip. And we're just going to cut out all of our letters. And then we're going to glue our name. So for Cooper, the first thing I'm going to need is a C. So I'm going to look, there it is. I'm going to glue my C right underneath. C. And then I need an O. I need another O. Oh, here's another one. O. P. Let me find the P. Oh, there it is. E. R. There you go. I spelled my name, Cooper. And now I need to go ahead and I'm going to try my best to write my name. So I'm going to go ahead and write the C, O, O. There's my P, E, R. There we go. That's my name. It's Cooper. And now, do you guys remember what our fish activity was? We're only going to color the fish that have an F on them. C, E, F. There is an F. So I'm going to color that fish. O, F. Oh, there's another one. F, B, F, and D. Now, I'm not going to color that. It's not an F. The next thing we're going to do now, here's our fish. We're going to trace the fish. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to follow the line. And we're going to really take our time practicing tracing the line to make a fish. There you go. And then the last thing we're going to do is F is for 5. Like we have 5 fingers. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to count 5 things. So what I think I'm going to do is, I love this sparkly paper. I'm going to go ahead and cut little squares and I'm going to glue 5 of them on. So first thing I have to do is count 5 glue drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am done. It was a long video. It's okay if you didn't watch it all, but I just want to make sure everybody knows what to do.